I took my name off the loan the day my brother-in-law called it his. So my sister Megan married Dave about 3 years ago. And Dave's always been the kind of guy who talks big and delivers small. Nice enough at cookouts, terrible with money. Last spring, he lined up a gig doing tree removal and landscaping. The kind of work where you live or die by whether you've got a truck. He found this used F-250 38 grand, perfect for hauling. Only problem was Dave's credit. He'd had a car repoed 2 years before and no bank would touch him. Megan called me crying. He's got the job lined up, he just needs the truck. Can you help? Just your name, that's it. He'll make every payment. I said yes because she's my sister. We went down to the credit union together and the loan officer made it real clear. The loan was in my name, primary borrower, my credit carrying it. Dave was on there as a co-borrower, but everybody in that room knew whose name made it happen. The insurance we put under my policy because it was cheaper. Registration came to my address. The deal was simple. Dave pays me the $640 a month, I pass it to the bank. His truck to use, my name to make it exist. For a while it was fine. Then it started. First it was little. I asked to borrow it one Saturday to move a couch, and Dave went. Then he put a decal on the door. Dave's Property Services, and started posting photos. My rig. The beast. Megan sent me one of the posts laughing like it was cute. At Easter my dad asked Dave about the truck, and Dave leaned back and goes, yeah, saved up and pulled the trigger. She's my baby. Saved up. I looked right at him. We're both on that loan, Dave. He kind of chuckled. On paper. You know how it is. On paper. Like the paper wasn't the entire reason he had it. I let it go, because Megan was standing there and I didn't want to be the guy who blows up Easter over a truck. But it sat with me. Then in June, my mortgage guy called about a refinance and told me my credit had dropped 40 points. I pulled the report. 2 late payments on the auto loan. Dave had missed May and half of April and never said a word. My name, my score, his silence. I called him. You missed payments. I got caught up. It's handled. Relax. It's on my credit. He actually laughed. Bro, it's my truck. I'll manage it how I manage it. His truck. That was the second time. And that one I didn't let go. The next weekend was Megan's birthday cookout. Whole family in the backyard. My uncle asked Dave if he could borrow the truck for a dump run, and Dave said, I don't really loan it out. It's my work vehicle. Then he looked over at me and added, he just helped me get it. He doesn't really have anything to do with it. Doesn't really have anything to do with it. I put my plate down. Say that again. Come on, don't make it weird. You've called it yours 4 times now. You missed payments on my credit. You just told the whole yard I've got nothing to do with it. I stood up. Cool. Then I'll make that official. Monday morning, I was at the credit union at 9 a.m. I told the officer I wanted off the loan. She said the only way was Dave refinancing it into his own name on his own credit. I said, perfect. Start that. I knew exactly what would happen. So did she once she pulled him up. Dave got the denial letter that Thursday. His credit couldn't carry it alone, not even close. That same day, I canceled the insurance policy the truck was riding on, mine, and pulled the registration tied to my address. Then I called him. Your truck needs its own insurance and its own loan by the end of the month, or the bank takes it. Since it's got nothing to do with me. You can't do that. I need it for work. It's your truck, Dave. Manage it how you manage it. Megan called screaming. My mom called. Everybody had something to say about how I was punishing Dave over pride. But every one of them had heard him call it his. The truck went back to the credit union lot the last Friday of the month. Dave's been borrowing his cousin's hatchback to haul rakes ever since.